roughing it in Nepal. It's hard to take. I just said to one of the staff I could easily come and live here. It's just sensational. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. It's also got its own adventure park. There's a gorge just over the edge here with a river at the bottom, and you can ride a bike, an air bike. There's bungee jumping, flying fox. I don't know what that thing out there is, but it carries people.
One step, 2 steps, 3 and it's over. 5 into 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9 and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Everything.
Time for a little stroll in the morning. 7 a.m. I've been up since 3, or I've been awake since 3. No one else is up, just me. And that is a hell of a long way. It's a long way down. I'm gonna guess 200, 300 meters. Goes all the way across there to the city. And here we have the bungee jumping platform. 228 meter drop. Just up there with the blue roof is the zip line. Back in the direction I've come from, up there somewhere, they have a bike you can ride out over the canyon. And I don't know, there's something else, but be guaranteed I'm not doing any of it.
Just hold yourself tight, please do. Everything will work out fine. Hold yourself
Team Singapore and Team UK both decided to try their luck at zip lining.
That's gonna be scary!
Uh-oh!
Cool as a cue. Cool as a cucumber.
You Alexander! 3 of them! Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You made it.
A journey. Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
I was a plane crashing in your head. You could have known me better, I said. Ask me a question, just a little comprehension. So take me high, stepping instead. Time is a game you play when you got it. You shoot your shot so you can say that you shot it. I wanna know, how's it gonna go? You think you'll never be forgotten.
It's quick, man. Oh, my hand was stuck inside of the corner of the rock. I cannot hear anything. You were going on so fast.
Day 8, ready to rock and roll. They've actually cleared a path for us to get out, which was nice.
Get down this bit. Not sure about the top. Going up the other side.
We're going up that way, are we? Yeah, lovely. Oh well.
Yeah, mate.
I can tell you when you skin your first knee.
Right, Al. There he goes, Enduro champion, all the way from Scotland. Oh. Right, good luck. Good luck. Look at this dude. No hassle. Come on, hurry up, get the road. He's late for work. Oh, Mrs. on the phone.
You want to go first? Yeah. Ujjwal will be waiting for you on the other side. So we cannot hold and occupy the bridge for more time. Because there are other people also using it. So one by one we'll go.
Yeah.
One at a time.
Okay.
And Ujjwal will be waiting on the other side. And please mind there are also paddlers on the road as well.
Pedestrian,
No
yeah.
problem. It's more stable ones than the last we did that. You can see there are more cables.
Oh, they've got this. Yeah, yeah, I see that. Go for it, mate.
पैदल वाले लोग आ रहे हैं ना
Gotta love a bit of rockfall on the road.
So full of yourself, okay, you need help. Your ego's tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell. Oh well. Happy belated. Sorry couldn't make it. Your head's inflated. It's your love is overrated. Care about your money, it's so dear to you. A walking red flag in designer shoes. It's so clear to see that chivalry is dead. Hate the game, I guess. So full of yourself, okay, you need help. Your ego's tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell. I don't even care anymore. Happy belated. Sorry couldn't make it. Your head's inflated. It's your love is Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know you're wrong, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so
flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest. Till now, the stars look down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is a limit, no chance to hold. Sky is a limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky
Fucking what in shape? Where have you been?
I had to ring my wife. There's a fucking bug crawling around in my ear.
Sky is a limit, no chance to hold. Sky is a limit, I'm breaking the
flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down.